Hello and welcome to this video where we review the Interest Quadrant as part of the Top People and Brands widget in greater detail. Now, as shown, the Interest Quadrant has a lot of depth to it. As you've seen, this precision mapping tool identifies 4 distinct quads based on public and media interest levels, each offering unique insights and strategic potential. Let's look at each in a bit more detail. First up, in the top left, we have the Opportunity Quadrant, which could also be thought of as the Resonance or Growth Quadrant. This is characterized by high public interest with low media coverage. Here, you can uncover white space opportunities, underexplored areas where you can seize the advantage by providing fresh insights to a curious audience, and possibly even position yourself as a thought leader in the process. This opportunity, however, may need some consideration, as it's crucial to ensure these topics have broad enough appeal to maintain engagement over time. Next, in the top right, we have the Spotlight Quadrant. This is a stage where public curiosity and media attention converge, amplifying the most popular and timely discussions. Operating in this space can lead to increased visibility and relevance. However, standing out amidst the competition requires careful manoeuvring. Fresh and unique perspectives are crucial to avoid saturation. This brightly lit quadrant, although attractive, demands mindful handling to truly shine. Moving down now to the lower left, we have the Shadow Quadrant. This region contains lurking topics barely gracing the attention of both public and media. This could hint at a dwindling story or a trend struggling to find its footing, which is best to ignore. This quiet territory might imply the need for a strategic pivot, refocused efforts, or perhaps abandonment of a sinking narrative. However, within this obscurity lies a challenging opportunity, unearthing less obvious yet potentially impactful narratives that could spark interest when cast under a new light. Of course, during a crisis event, you might be very happy to see your name or your company residing in the quiet darkness of this quadrant. Lastly, in the bottom right, we have the Echo Quadrant, which is characterized by a dissonance between high media interest and low public engagement. Here, the media's message resounds, but the public's response remains faint. This signals potential misalignment where the media are simply missing the mark, unable to engage with the audience. Despite the challenge, this quadrant presents an intriguing opportunity to understand this disconnect and redefine the conversation, potentially transforming the echo into a harmonious dialogue. And again, during a crisis event, this could act as an early warning system like a smoke alarm, signalling a potential fire. Hopefully the sound continues to reverberate in this quadrant rather than ignite and push the person or brand into the Spotlight Quadrant above. Remember, the Interest Quadrant is a dynamic tool that provides nuanced insights into the constantly shifting landscape of public and media interest. Keep a close eye on it to stay ahead of the curve. And that's it. Thanks for watching.